there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to play with fire. So if you like to play with fire, stay tuned because today we're going to talk about how to light your pellet stove. Alright, so how do you light a pellet stove? If you're one of those fortunate enough that you just hit a button and your pellet stove starts every time, that's awesome. But for those of us who don't, here's a quick and easy way that I've come up with to do this. So you're only going to need a couple things. One of them is a container like this. You can get these anywhere, dollar store, Walmart, anywhere. You can get them, I think, 2 for $1 now. Some hand sanitizer, isopropyl alcohol, and a handful of pellets. Now you can buy the pellet igniter gel. It's like $12 for a small container, I think smaller than this. Don't waste your money on that. We're going to make some right now. We all have some sort of hand sanitizer at home after the whole COVID thing. So all you're going to do is mix it 80-20. So I'm going to put 80% of that in there, which on the back here it just comes to 4 ounces. Set this off to the side. Going to mix 20% isopropyl alcohol to that. Which that's right there. Perfect. Wipe up my mess here, made a little bit of spill. Okay, now the next thing you do, shake it up. That's easy, just like that. Shake it up, mix it together. So the point of hand sanitizer and isopropyl alcohol is this has a good steady burn. This ignites fast. So you combine these two together, and you get something that lights fast and it burns for a while. It's going to get your pellets up to temperature faster and make sure it has a more consistent burn. And while we're on the topic of lighting your pellet gel, you can use anything you want. You can use a torch, small butane lighter, a lighter like this, I don't really recommend, or you can even use matches if you want to. I like to use the long reach matches so my hand's not in there when it does light. I don't burn myself, but you can use any of these you want to. I would not recommend using this. What I would use actually if you're going to use a lighter like this is a grill lighter or a candle lighter that has a long neck on it. So when you light it, your hand is far enough away from the pellets that you don't actually burn yourself. Because when the alcohol lights, it lights pretty quick. You don't want to take the skin off your finger from that. So that's what I would recommend if you're going to do this on a daily basis. So I'm going to get you spun around here and I'm going to demonstrate how quick and easy this is. Okay, now I have you set up here. So we're going to take our pellets, dump those in. I usually just use a small handful. Take our gel that we just made. Put a decent amount in. You don't have to do anything crazy. I take my match. Stick it in there. Move it around until we have a good flame. Sometimes I'll just let it sit there for a minute. Get all that in there. Then while that's burning, I'll turn the stove on. Shut the door a little bit. Just shut it the whole way. Sometimes it'll go out, so I try to give it a chance. And there it goes. So right around 30 seconds in, my stove starts adding pellets to it, and then you're going to see a bigger flame here. Yep, right there. Yep. And that's it. You lit your pellet stove without the igniter. So if yours doesn't have one, or if yours is broken, it's that easy. Now you can just sit back and relax and enjoy the heat from your pellet stove. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully you learned something. And I will catch you on the next one.